My channel to your new sheet, and today I'm coming at you guys with a brand new video. We are back on my very lovely couch, my mother's couch, to bring you guys another try on haul. Woo! I hope you guys are excited. I hope you guys are excited because today I'm gonna have some fire pieces for you. Hopefully everything fits. I didn't try anything on before this video except this top that I'm wearing right now. This is actually a dress, but we'll get into it during the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Also, I have a surprise for you guys. You're gonna have to stay till the end of the video to hear the surprise, but I'm gonna give you a little hint. It's a 10K giveaway. Okay, a lot of cheering, a lot of happiness, a lot of joy, guys. I made it to 10K. What a great way to start my new year. Happy New Year, you guys. I should have said that first, but you know, y'all know me. If you've been following me for a while, you know I love y'all. I meant to say Happy New Year. So Happy New Year. My cat is over there acting a fool, so you might hear her in the background. Please excuse that. Y'all know they be acting up in the middle of the night. If you have a cat, that's something that they don't tell you. Cats act up in the middle of the night. Anyways, I'm rambling. I can't wait to start this try-on haul, so let's get into it. So the first thing I have is this dress that I got from Fashion Nova. Now this one, I already have it on, so I'm trying to tell you the name. This is the Wild Day mini dress in a size 3X. Now, I knew I could size down with this dress, but like I didn't because I kind of wanted it to be a little loose. I didn't want it to be form-fitting because, I don't know, I just felt like this was a cute little like, oh, I'm just, you know, hanging out dress. This is the back. You guys can see. It doesn't ruin your figure though. I feel like because of the print, it's kind of still sexy. And with this lace bra, you know, I'm giving sexy. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Let me know. This is the print up close. It's like a tiger print. Super cute. It has this little, I don't know what this design is on the side. I think that's what gives you your shape, where like it doesn't necessarily ruin your shape. I could belt it, but I don't know if I would. We'll see when I wear it. So the next item I got is this jumpsuit. It's called the Take Me to Miami Nova Season jumpsuit. And it's in this chocolate brown color. This is the front and this is the back. This fits me to a T. I'm actually shocked. This is in a size extra large. It's super long, goes all the way to my ankles. It has these distressing, well, it's not really distressing, it's more like ripped because this is cotton material. It's not see-through. Hugs my curves exactly how I want it to. I like it. I do like it. It's in those like brown earth tones. I tried to get a couple earth tone pieces because I know that's what's in right now. So that's what I got. What do you guys think? This is cute. Let me go look in the mirror. I'll be right back. This next item is called the Snake Me Yours Lace Back Bodysuit. It's a bodysuit with, I'll show you guys the back. It has a lace back detailing. You guys can see. If you guys can see. I can't really tie it myself. I'm like having a little bit of trouble. So it can go tighter. But I'm just going to put on the pants so that I can show you guys what it looks like with pants on. So these pants are called the... Really, Chanel? Sorry, guys. So these pants are called the Needing Something jeans. I'm just going to put them on. Hopefully they go on. These are called the Needing Something jeans, and they're in a size 3X. Unfortunately, they are like really big on me. Of course, the thighs fit. Y'all know how the thighs go, but it is giving me like the penis, and it's super big in the front, like super, like I could fit a whole nother, like, it's way too big at the top for me. I'm fortunate because these are super long. I'll show you guys. They go all the way to my ankles. If you have a longer torso, or if you like high-waisted jeans, or if you have like a little bit of a stomach, you know, this will be good for you, but it's not good for me. Y'all know how it goes for me. I don't know if I could take them in. I don't know. And it's unfortunate because I really like them. I like the distressing. I like the color, the wash, but no. So disappointing. Next thing I got is another distressed like leggings pant. I don't know what to call it. It's called the Stacked Miami Distressed Pant. So it's a pant. It's gray. It's like a heather gray. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on. Are you excited? Okay, so this is what I mean. Like, Fashion Nova is weird. So these are in a size 2X, and they're super tight. But the brown one, that was the same thing, just without the top, fit perfect. That's not weird? Like, it's so tight that it's like squeezing my butt. Like, my butt is not able to breathe. So I'm gonna show you guys the back. They are really long. The distressing is cute. But like, why is it so tight? Like, I could not. Like, they are so tight. I'm gonna keep them because I plan on dropping a few pounds. But it's just interesting to me that they're so tight. They really are. I'm not kidding. They're so tight. They are a little high-waisted, but I can just do that, and it's cool. They're so, it's almost a joke how tight they are. They're so tight. I already kind of ripped them right here because that's how tight they are. Wow. 2X? The brown was an extra large. All right, next piece. So the next thing I'm gonna try on is this sweatpants, and this is called the Not a Game Fleece Joggers. I already don't like these because they don't have a drawstring and they're in a size 3X, so I feel like they're not gonna fit right, but I can adjust them with my sewing machine if they even fit, because Fashion Nova is weird. All right, I guess it's not their fault, it's like the vendors. Let's see. All right, so the sweatpants definitely fit. Hold on. I'm gonna adjust the camera. So the sweatpants definitely fit. My cat is so annoying. But they are big at the waist, so I'm gonna have to take it in, but I don't even have to if I don't want to. Like, I can leave the kind of baggy look, which is not bad. I'm not mad at it. This is the back. They go all the way to my ankles. I might get another color. This is like, I like this. Right? This is cute. Right? Yeah. This is not bad. The jumpsuit's kind of getting, I mean, the bodysuit's getting on my nerves a little bit, but this is cute. So my tall girls looking for sweatpants, these are good. They're a smaller size if you're not as thick as me, but there's also, well, this is 3X, so, but yeah, at least the waist is not super tight, so anybody can fit this. Like, it's still really baggy on me too, so I'm very proud of them for this. And yeah, next piece. All right, guys, so this next outfit is probably my favorite. This top is called the Anything But Subtle Snake Crop Top, and it's snake print, as you can see. It has a little lace ruching detail right here to tie your, you know, your breasts together. And it is a turtleneck, but because I'm so tall, it kind of like slouches, which I don't really like. I almost wish that I got a bigger size, I mean a smaller size. This is an extra large. Let me see if it's the way I'm tying it. No, it's still gonna slouch. Either that or I have to let my titties out. There's nothing I can do. I'll find a way to fix it. I don't know. It's a little annoying. But this material is so soft. I love it. Now these pants are called the Teyana leather-like leggings. And they're brown. They're like a maroon brown. Like they're not like just brown, you know. They don't quite, like I'm gonna have to like adjust it because they don't quite fit. I'm gonna have to raise the crotch a little bit and tighten the waist. But they're super cute. I like them. I can't wait to wear them. Y'all know, if you follow me on Instagram, I'm a leather leggings girl. I love them. So the fact that I can have a brown like pant, like are y'all feeling it or not? This is cute. This outfit is cute. And I will definitely be wearing them. Like, are you kidding me? I know y'all see the baby abs. Okay, I don't Photoshop them in. Like, they're there. Okay? But yeah. Alright, let me stop. Next thing I got is the My Number One Ruched Leggings Set. And y'all, I'm just gonna stand here for a second. Let me back up. Come on. Come on. Like, I got them in a size 1X. Look at how she's sitting. Like, this is cute. I do wish I got like an extra large or even a large. But this is so cute. It's really stretchy, like very stretchy, super stretchy. I would definitely size down, if not 2 sizes down. So long, super long. If I was taller, it would still fit. Like, I don't even have to say nothing else. It is a turtleneck, which I got a little makeup on it because it is like a turtleneck kind of fit, like a mock neck. Is that what it's called? I don't know, but I don't even want to take this off. It's super high-waisted, but you know, you can lower it. That's what I did. But let's see. Isn't it cute? Alright, I'm gonna take it off. Alright guys, so this is the next item. I'm super disappointed because I'll insert a picture of what it's supposed to look like. I can't even try it on because it only has a zipper on the side, right here. And it cuts off right here and it has a zipper up here. I mean, it doesn't have a zipper up here, so there's literally no way that I can get into it. Like, I wish there was a zipper in the back, all the way up. Then I could get into it. Like, I know it's gonna fit. The legs are wide enough and it's long enough, but I can't get in. My butt won't fit through the top. So, unfortunately, this is going back because I can't get into it. All right, next. All right, guys, so I'm sweating and whatnot, but we're gonna make this quick because I'm gonna do the remainder of the haul. My camera's on 9%, so we're gonna make this happen. So the last 3 things I got, one of them is this shoe. Okay, and if you watch the previous hauls that I had, I got shoes like this before from Fashion Nova, and they were perfect. They're my go-to shoe, but they are getting like a little run down because it's been almost a year since I got them. So this is the shoe that I got in a size 11. I am a size 11. They run a little bit small. Not necessarily lengthwise, but width. So if you have wide feet, I wouldn't even get these. I'm gonna still wear them because they work, but I know that it's gonna be a little, you know. They have an ankle strap. They're a little bit different than the last ones I got, and they do have a shorter heel, which I do like. So I'm very happy with these. They're a black leather, and again, they are in a size 11. So these next shoes that I got are these clear heels, and these ones are also in a size 11. These ones are like a thong sandal. is that that's what it's called, right? With a wide bottom heel. I never had one like this before. I don't know if it's easier to walk in or not. What I do know is they do run a little bit slim. I saw the square toe and I thought it was gonna be wide. I do have wide feet, so I thought these were gonna be wide, but they aren't. They're not. My pinky toe is like creeping on the side, but it works. I'm still gonna wear them. I'm not gonna return them because I feel like I'm gonna need them for something. These are such a Miami vibe, so yeah, they don't have a high heel. I think it's like 3 inches, just like the black ones, so I'm very happy with that. I can't wait to try these and see what the wide heel is like, because I wonder if it's easier to walk in, like I really do. But again, these are in a size 11. Yeah. Last but not least, what I got is this breast lift pasties silicone, and I got them in the plus size or whatever. They're like one size fits most. They have the regular and then they have plus. I got plus not because of like my actual size, because my breasts are only a C cup, but I got the plus so that it can cover my entire breast and I wouldn't have like the, you know, line of demarcation. I don't like that. This is what they look. This is what it looks like for you guys to see. They are nude. I actually got them for that bodysuit that did not go on because you can't wear a bra with that, but whatever. I got these because pasties don't really work for me. Yeah, they don't work. I'm not gonna say why, but pasties just aren't thick enough. Maybe you'll understand what I mean when I say that. So I need like a silicone pasty, and I figured like, why not just get this whole shebang that will like kind of like give me that fake breast look and lift my breasts up. So yeah, and this is the plus size, and it doesn't actually fit over my entire breast, so I can only imagine what the regular size is like. So I definitely recommend the plus size, unless you're like an A cup. I recommend the plus size because it doesn't go around your body, so there's no such thing as too big. Unless you have itty bitties, which is fine. You can have itty bitties, that's fine. But yeah, so they're the silicone breast lift pasties. I'll let you guys know if this actually works when I actually use them. Guys, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you stayed tuned till the end, it's time for the giveaway. So I will be giving away $100 to one of my subscribers as a thank you for the 10K. We're actually over 10K now, so I'm super excited about that. All you have to do is like this video, comment on this video your Instagram name, and be following me on Instagram, and like 2 pictures. Send me a screenshot of all of that, the subscribe button, the like button, your comment. Send me a screenshot of your comment, and send me a screenshot of you following me. Also send me a screenshot of the likes, and I will randomly select a winner of $100. Yes, guys, $100. I will be sending it to your Cash App, PayPal, wherever you want me to send it. I will send it, money order, however, it's for you. It's only gonna be 1 winner. I'm not rich. It's just my way of showing my appreciation for you guys, so please don't hesitate to enter. And thank you guys so much for 11K, I think I'm at now. I am ecstatic. Like, you guys have no idea how I feel. It took forever to grow, and I'm finally seeing results, and it just feels amazing. So thank you again. Let me know any other videos you guys would like to see. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until the next time.